Welcome to the VineView app Basic Features tutorial. This short video will lead you through the steps to help you easily navigate the app. After logging in, you will see a default background map. To access your data from here, navigate to the menu button in the upper left-hand corner. After clicking on this icon, a menu pane will open. Here you will see a list of your fields or blocks grouped by ranch. You can expand the group to show individual fields or blocks. Click on the field or block you would like to view. Alternatively, click on the group to select all of the blocks in that group, so they can be viewed together in one map view. You can navigate and move around the map by dragging the mouse, and zoom in and out by using the mouse scroll wheel or the plus and minus keys. Use the Zoom to Selection button to center the map around the selected fields. The data navigation bar on the bottom of the screen shows the current color legend and different buttons for viewing and manipulating your data. The Map Data button on the far left of the bar lets you see the data products included with your package for the specific blocks that you have selected. Select or deselect the data product you would like to view on the map. At the bottom of the data list, you will see Background Map View and a drop-down option. Other map views like True Color and Color Infrared are available here. Background maps are only visible when no data products are selected. The type of data products that can be selected depends on your subscription. If map data from different dates is available, the view can be changed by using the date selector in the upper right-hand corner. The switch icon on the data navigation bar allows you to view absolute or relative mode. In relative mode, the colors are stretched to the minimum and maximum values, which shows in-field differences more clearly. In absolute mode, the colors are always fixed to particular values, which is important when comparing data between different fields or dates. The Chart button on the data navigation bar will show statistical information of the data for the selected fields. If you have more questions or would like support to get started, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@vineview.com. Thank you.